Welcome, guys. Let's take a look at our AUD USD. That is odd dollar to our US dollar, right? We want to see where this price will be moving this week. So, if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so. Click on the subscribe button, like, and share. Now, for this first trend, we would actually start with our monthly time frame. We want to analyze it from our monthly time frame down to our 4 hour time frame. So what does this monthly time frame actually say? What is the trend for this monthly time frame? We clearly can see that this is a bearish move, right? AUD is kind of giving us like a bearish move, right, against our USD. That is the full trend, right? If you take a look at this movement, let's start it from here. Clearly also this is a bearish move. We are dropping against our USD. Second is that I've included this moving average, which is 10 period moving average we will be using. Now we all know how to take a trade on this with our moving average. Is that once our price is above our moving average, then there's only one movement we'll be seeing, right? A bullish move. But if it is below it, we will be seeing a bearish move. So you can see from here, price has been above the moving average. One of the reasons why we actually went long. Now you can see it here, price being below the moving average, and we are still on a sell movement, right? So kind of, if you take a look at this recent movement, we can see that we are kind of like on a bullish move, which you can see as a pullback level. So take a look at this as a bearish move on AUD Here will be the correction. So we would see it as kind of like a bearish move, little bit of a correction here, right? Another bearish move. Here comes the correction on AUD Now another bearish move. Of course, we should kind of see like a correction, which won't be that much though. I don't believe the correction will give us that bullish move, that huge bullish move. Then after the correction has been made, we would expect a bearish move. Above all, we are still on a correction level on AUD USD. So if you want to take a trade on a monthly time frame, like a position trader whereby you need to grab what you want in 3, 4, 6 months, right? It will be better you actually short this, because once the pullback has been made, which is a correction move, then we would be expecting another drop on AUD USD. That means that AUD USD will kind of give us like that huge, bearish move. So about that is it for the weekly time frame. Now see this on the weekly time frame. You can see now take a look at this AUD USD now. Last 3 weeks we actually opened and closed bullish, right? We saw the price kind of give us that bullish move. Last 3 weeks we saw price open and close bullish. Last 2 weeks also we saw the price kind of opened and closed, bullish, right? And the week that just finished, we also saw that this price has opened bullish. Now I want you guys to see that this week that we are predicting for, I also believe that we'd actually open and close bullish, right? I still believe it though. If it does not happen that way, then fine. But we should kind of see this, good amount of movement upward on our AUD USD, because I believe this week our USD index itself, our USD will be dropping, which is that our DXY. We should be expecting a bearish move on our DXY, by the way. So that means once our DXY is dropping or USD index is dropping, any other pairs we are trading to our USD should actually give us kind of like a bullish move. So as we have seen a bearish move on USD, then we should be expecting a bullish move on AUD USD, right? So can clearly see the movement full trend. This is kind of like a bearish move, right? There's no doubt about that. And once you take a look at this movement here, you kind of see like it is a bullish move. That bullish move should kind of serve as a pullback, right? Since this is a lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and this has given us a massive lower lows, right? Of course, a good amount of lower highs should occur, which would be bullish, which I still believe it will actually break this above this moving average, which there won't be any doubts about that. So that's AUD USD, a bullish move should play out, right? This is exactly what we are having, which will be bullish. That should take us to the daily time frame, by the way. So I mean, if we take a look at this movement, right, we can see that this is kind of giving us like an higher highs and higher lows, right? We can see this higher highs. Here comes the correction on AUD, right? We can see another bullish move, right, that broke this previous highs. Here comes the correction on AUD USD, and now a new higher highs has been made, which broke this previous highs, right? Here comes the correction, which dropped, go massively though. Now we are expecting another higher highs, which I strongly believe that the new higher highs will actually take out this highs though, right? Which I believe price will actually come to this level. Once it gets to this level, you need to take it out by giving us that bullish move, right? So AUD USD, you can see it on the daily time frame. The price has broken above the moving average, and the next level we would want to see this AUD USD drop to go to is where price has reacted to previously. You saw that price has also reacted to this level, right? You saw price also reacted to this level. We would drag this level out, which is a level of 0.65 to 80. So now that this price is actually rolling, the next level we want to see it roll up to is this level, which is 0.65 to 80. That should give us at least 80 to 100 pips. So we expect this AUD USD to actually get to this level. Kind of maybe a pullback should be made and another bullish move. That is if it will happen, by the way. And if not, we might see it actually get to this level. We might see it actually roll up, and possibly a drop again would be made on AUD USD. Though it depends on how the price will play out though. So to be able to place this trade right, we go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's highlight some key level on the 4-hour time frame. So we highlight this level here. So that price has also gotten to this level and we saw it dropped. We saw it also happened here previously, right? You can also see a drop. Price came to this level multiple times. If you notice, you see once price drop, you saw it came to test this level one, drop, get tested this level two, drop, tested it three times, drop, four times, right? Which price has reacted to like four times previously. It came again, tested here five, right? Of course, we are seeing this bullish move. We will definitely see it rise up to this level again. So aim at this level first of all. At least from here to there, you should at least give us like 90 pips, right? So if you can grab 90 pips, by the time market opens and you go long on AUD USD, you are able to grab 90 pips, then you can opt out and let's see if this bearish move which will happen will be a pullback, then you can now enter to go bullish again. And if not, if it is not a pullback, then you might be seeing that drop on AUD USD. So that is how I plan to take the trade and how I probably see this AUD USD.